Hi, my name is Cody Capps. I'm with Group 2 and reporting to you guys today on Toyota, and my part specifically is solutions. So solutions, we're going to be talking to you a little bit more about TQM, Total Quality Management, which involves an array of product quality management. Basically this is going to show what Toyota can do to make a better product and make sure that they have less recalls. Next, we're going to talk about benchmarking. So this is one of the steps in the TQM that can really help Toyota. Benchmarking is basically going to set a standard for Toyota so that they have to make everything at the best it can possibly be. So when you have a benchmarking standard, there's going to be limitations. So if something is very poor quality or something is subpar quality, it's not going to be allowed to get past the next stage. So benchmarking is really going to up the ante for Toyota so that all their products have to meet a specific requirement so that they can be made and made to the next process without any failure or possibility of having a lack of quality. The next part of the TQM is the cause and effect diagrams. So cause and effect diagrams are pretty self-explanatory. Basically what they are is if a product fails, what you're going to do is you're going to map out what that failure process was, why it failed, and this is going to help prevent failures from the future. So if Toyota has a recall on their chairs or a steering column, let's hope it's only going to happen one time because they're going to have the cause and effect diagrams, which is going to map out the problems and prevent future problems of the same occurrence from happening. So this is basically going to map out the problem exactly in a way so that all of the other people in the Toyota manufacturing process can see what problems had happened before in certain situations, and it will be prevented. This brings us to our third and final step of the TQM solution, which is inspection. Inspection is a process of overviewing all the steps. So whether you start at the benchmarking and you're making sure that you have the highest quality, and then you go into a problem, you map out your problem with the diagrams, and you go back to the benchmarking process from the beginning, and you see your mapped out diagrams, you prevent that problem from happening, and then you have your end of the process of the manufacturing, and then you inspect everything. So inspection really is an overall overview of each process, the manufacturing stages. Inspection is really crucial to the end goal of Toyota limiting their recalls. Inspection is something that should be seen as a very valuable process as it overviews everything and it really curtails to all the fundamentals that Toyota puts into their cars.